Architects. Have you ever worked with architects? Each one dreams big like Zaha Hadid. But seriously, I just need an apartment building for local municipality. We don't reinvent speculative architecture here. We can't spend months back and forth making everything custom.
Building system with proven components. Start from a library. Get first draft in minutes. Make a few to compare and show to the client.
They say modular is an answer. Really? I send drawings to the factory. They say, nah, can't do it. I fix, I send it again. They blame architect. Architect blames them. What a joke.
Components already know what the factory can make. It's meant to connect design to production, you know? Design for manufacturing, assembly, disassembly, and reassembly.
Do you even know how hard it is to answer the how much question? Engineer needs drawings. Drawings need specs. Specs need the architect. Week later you get the number. Client hates it. Start over. By the time you solve it, client is gone.
Pricing is in real time, as well as all the specs, because again, Modular. And prices are not just a guess. They are based on real projects being built, including integration of supply chain.
Would you stop it?
What?
I'm trying to complain here. I don't need those utopian fantasies.
What fantasies? It already exists. Buildings are built.
Seriously?
Yeah. Creatomus is bringing the whole digital supply chain for modular construction together. Your architects work on manufacturable designs, using materials from validated suppliers, and you get design with pricing and visuals right away.
God damn it. Where have you been before? All right, enough whining. We have business to do.
Duh.